So today we'll be converting image to a negative scale image. So in order to do that, we'll be following one algorithm. So the algorithm will be like, if we considered our image, our negative image as negative im, then we'll be subtracting -1 with our image and plus 255. What this means? This means we are subtracting 255, which is the highest intensity, with all image pixel values. Okay, so if we can subtract our pixel values with 255, the image, the original image, will get converted to a negative image. I can write this in a comment. Let's do it. And the basic fundamental where we will be using it will be an absolute value of the image of 255, which get subtracted from our image array. So this is the fundamental how we can convert an image to a negative. Now let's import all our dependent libraries. So we imported all our dependent libraries. Now let's import our image. So I imported my image. Let's see our image. Okay, so this is our image, and if you know CV to use BGR channel, we need to convert it to RGB. So let's convert it. We need to convert it from BGR to RGB. So first we converted the BGR to RGB channel, then we need to convert it to a grayscale image. So in order to convert the grayscale image, we need to use color underscore RGB to gray. Okay, now my image got converted from RGB to our grayscale image. Next, let's see our image. Okay, we need to use CMap. Okay, this is our grayscale image of our original image. Now we need to convert it to a negative image. So in order to do that, I'll be naming it as negative image, and I'll be using absolute value. I'll be subtracting 255 with our gray image. So now my negative image array is being stored in negative im. Now let's plot it. Dot I'm show, then negative image and CMap equals to gray. See, this is the negative image and this was our original image. Now let's do an histogram analysis of both the image. Let's do it. If you see the histogram analysis of a grayscale image, you can find maximum of the values are towards the 0. That means it is a dark portions are much greater than the white portions. So the intensity values will be much greater towards 0 to 25. So if you see the histogram, the intensities are more over here. Now let's do an analysis of the negative image with our histogram. So in order to do that, plt.hist get our negative image. Now if you look, all the value sections will be transferred to 175 to 255 because we are subtracting each and every pixel values with 255, so every pixel got converted to a higher value. Now if you see that the intensities are much more over here, and if you see the grayscale image, these intensities are over here. So that is how a normal image gets converted into a negative scale image. And we also did a histogram analysis to get an idea like how we can, means what is going on inside the pixel intensities.